JPMorgan case involving Lorna Hajdini sparks debate over corporate accountability. A recent case involving JPMorgan Chase and former employee Lorna Hajdini has drawn significant attention, raising broader questions about workplace practices, internal oversight, and accountability within major financial institutions. Background of the case. The controversy centers around allegations made by Lorna Hajdini, who previously worked within JPMorgan's operations. Reports indicate that the case involves claims related to workplace conduct, internal decision-making, and how concerns raised by employees are handled within large corporate environments. While details remain limited in public reporting, the situation has quickly gained traction due to JPMorgan's global stature and influence in the financial world. Any legal or ethical challenge involving such a major institution naturally attracts widespread scrutiny. Core allegations and legal angle. According to available information, Hajdini's claims focus on issues tied to professional treatment, internal processes, and whether appropriate actions were taken by management when concerns were raised. Cases like this often fall into broader categories such as workplace fairness and treatment, internal complaint handling, compliance with corporate policies, transparency in decision-making. Though the specifics of the legal filings are still emerging, the case appears to be developing into a wider discussion about corporate culture and employee protections. JPMorgan's position. JPMorgan has reportedly responded by defending its internal processes and emphasizing its commitment to maintaining professional standards across its operations. Large financial institutions typically highlight strict compliance frameworks, internal reporting systems, employee grievance mechanisms. The company is expected to address the matter through legal channels, as is standard in high-profile corporate disputes. Why this case matters. Beyond the individuals involved, the case reflects a broader trend where employees are increasingly willing to challenge major corporations over workplace issues. It also highlights growing awareness of employee rights, increased public interest in corporate transparency, scrutiny of how large organizations handle internal disputes. In today's digital age, such cases often extend beyond courtrooms, shaping public perception and corporate reputation. Industry-wide implications. The financial sector, already under regulatory pressure, may face additional attention as cases like this unfold. Analysts suggest that outcomes from such disputes can influence internal policy reforms, HR and compliance practices, public trust in financial institutions. Even when cases do not lead to major legal rulings, they often trigger internal reviews and policy adjustments. What happens next? As the case progresses, more details are expected to emerge through legal proceedings and official statements. Observers will be watching closely to see whether the claims are substantiated, how JPMorgan responds in court, if any broader policy changes follow. For now, the situation remains a developing story that underscores the evolving relationship between employees and large corporations in the modern workplace.